Hello everyone, this is the introduction of the data function. If you need to use data functions, the first step is to set the clock. Click Enter. Secondly, the second step needs to measure the flow. Bring your own measuring cup first. Then put the discharge tube into the measuring cup. Find the flow measurement in the parameter settings. The measuring pump can be switched here. 1 is the detergent pump left, 2 is the rinse pump right. And the rotational speed here is the percentage of the rotational speed when measured. The following measurement time is how long we measure. The longer the time, the more accurate it is. This metering timer displays a countdown when measuring. Then we fill in the measured value into the actual discharge after the measurement. The system will automatically calculate the flow rate and display it at the measured value. Before starting the measurement, the air in the tube needs to be emptied. We hit the empty button to start emptying. It can end when the pipeline is filled with liquid and the air is discharged. Click the empty button again to stop the empty. Then you can start the measurement. You can see that the meter is counting down. The countdown ends and automatically stops. After stopping, we fill in the measured value into the actual discharge. As you can see, the system automatically calculates the discharge speed of the pump. Click Save, and the detergent pump is measured. Then measure the flushing machine pump according to the same method. Then the third place to set is the bucket setting. Fill the capacity and cost of each barrel of chemical into the barrel setting to facilitate the system to calculate your accurate data. Okay, that concludes the necessary setup instructions for the data function. Then the following is the introduction of the data function. The first is the alarm alert here. We can set an alarm to remind the descaling every few days. And you can set an alarm reminder when the current remaining material is insufficient for how many days. Click the switch on the right and the yellow one is on. The first is delivery or bucket delivery. When the chemical material supplier delivers the chemical material, enter how many barrels have been delivered at the bucket delivery place. Then the remaining buckets below are used to calibrate the number of remaining buckets. Because there will be a little error in the actual capacity of each barrel of chemical material, the errors add up and the difference may be slightly larger. At this time, enter the actual number of remaining barrels through the remaining barrels so that the data can be accurate. Then comes the data center. The first is the important operation, where changes to the important data of the system are recorded. Then there is the delivery record, which records the updated data of the number of barrels. The running table is the running record of the pump. Finally, the statistics of the day are the usage statistics of the day. On the day S, on the day L is how many seconds the pump ran today and how many liters were used. The price on that day is calculated by the system according to the set chemical material price. The average daily barrel is the average number of barrels of chemical used per day. How many barrels are left? Available days are the remaining bucket available days. The current month's price is how much it cost this month. The total price is two pumps added together. Then, these data tables of ours can be copied via USB flash drive. Insert the U inventory and click to download. Finally, there is an equipment maintenance function. We can record the replacement date of accessories in this option. The following will automatically record the elapsed time. And you can set a target lifespan. Then click Save to return. Then it's manually adjusted. Here you can check whether the pump is running normally and whether the signal is received normally. Finally, long press the pump on the main interface to turn on the manual mode. Okay, that's the end of the introduction to the data function. Thank you.